I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your VR headset. First, understand that a reset can resolve many common issues, from software glitches to performance problems. We'll cover both a quick soft reset and a more thorough factory reset. Before starting, ensure your device is charged and you know your account details, especially if you plan a full data wipe. To perform a soft reset, which is often the first step in troubleshooting, simply locate the power button on your VR headset. Press and hold this button for approximately 10 seconds until the device completely powers down. Release the button, wait a few moments, and then press it again briefly to restart your headset. This can often clear minor software hiccups without losing any data. A factory reset is a more drastic measure, so it's crucial to back up any important game saves or personal data first. This process will erase everything, returning your device to its original factory settings. Typically, you'll need to access a specific menu within your headset software or hold a combination of buttons during startup. Consult your device's manual for the exact steps. After completing a reset, especially a factory one, you'll need to reconfigure your VR headset. This includes setting up your Guardian boundaries, logging back into your accounts, and reinstalling any applications or games you wish to use. If you encounter persistent issues after the reset, consider reaching out to your device's customer support for further assistance and advanced troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.